Renovating's hard work, but with quality Samsung appliances, finishing the job is easy. Take the quiet direct drive washing machine. The motor is very quiet as it doesn't use belts or gears. And reduced vibrations means it's even more reliable. Just one example of Samsung making your life simpler. Another smart feature, the diamond drum. So gentle it prevents clothes from getting caught or damaged.
Of the state, and Melbourne also in the firing line for damaging winds, hailstones and heavy rain. We'll see how it's unfolding shortly. Woke up this morning though with clear skies, quite warm too, to reach just under 30 degrees before a front came through, cooled things back down to 18 degrees outside at the moment. Across the state, quite varied. We get of course our storms at this time of year, spring variability, warm to the north and to the east of the state with heavy falls of 20 to 40 millimetres, as much as 39 millimetres fell overnight in Peterborough, but to the south and to the west, that's where it's cooler. The reason being, if we look at the satellite picture, high pressure at the Bight driving cooler onshore winds. Here's this low pressure, very unstable MS covering much of eastern Australia, particularly the southeastern corner. If it weren't for this cold front pushing through around midday today, those storms probably would have come down over Adelaide. So it's missed us, as I said, dodged a bullet. And for now, for Adelaide, only the chance of a shower before this high pressure will give us fine and stable weather right through until the Christmas pageant. However, around the rest of the nation, it's going to continue to be quite stormy tomorrow in Melbourne and that whole southeastern corner, our eastern parts of the state included. Let's go there now, in fact, with the storms continuing tomorrow around the eastern parts of the state. Dropping in temperature down to 19 degrees in Mount Gambier, 28 degrees in Port Augusta, 21 for Port Lincoln. So a fistful of warnings tonight, severe thunderstorms for all districts north and east of Adelaide and strong winds across all coastal waters. They'll only be strong tomorrow about the southern and western coast though. West 15 to 20 knots initially, west to southwest 10 to 15 in the morning, then back to the south up to 10 knots later. Seas at their peak about 1.5 metres. So as I mentioned, just the chance of a shower for Adelaide tonight before what will be a mostly sunny day tomorrow. A low of 14 before a top of 23 degrees, 24 there for the northern suburbs, 22 Glenelg, 20 at Mount Barker and 22 at Noarlunga. So then, as I mentioned, for the next few days going into Saturday, pageant day there, going to be fine. Warming up though, 28 degrees. So we'll be quite warm before a shower or two on Sunday, 29, and then back to fine weather next week. Now, before I go, you've only got until